Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue with Windows 11 Update error 0x800F0840 failing to install. Just follow the steps, and you'll have the problem resolved in no time. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Start menu and type Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar. Then, we'll select Additional Troubleshooters. After that, choose Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. The second step is to check the date and time. Right-click on the time, select Adjust Date, Time, and make sure Set the Time Automatically is turned on. Also, ensure that the time zone is set to your country. The third step is to open the Start menu, type Services, and select Run as Administrator. In the Services window, we'll find Windows Update. Double-click to open it and change the startup type to Automatic. The fourth step,
Open the Start menu and type Notepad. Open the link in video description and select all the text. Copy the text and paste it into Notepad. Save the file by selecting Save As. Change the Save As type to All Files and add .bat at the end of the file name. Navigate to where you saved the file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. The file will run automatically, which may take some time.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. My best friend. Till you break down. For my outfit, go wish. Go wish. This ain't what you want, phenomenon. forever. A haunted, haunted house. Oh, could you love me now? A haunted in the dead of night. There will be a time. I'll find you there. Here tonight. Got me.
This may take some time to finish, and the tool will restart your PC to finish installing updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. See you in the next video.